We don't have to wait 3 months for Samsung to officially announce the Galaxy S26 Ultra when we have on leaks once again keeping the tradition alive, giving us the best, most up-close detailed look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design from all angles. This is Samsung's next big thing for 2026. Plus, we also have a never-before-seen display feature that could only debut on the Galaxy S26 Ultra exclusively. The curve is back. Let's have a closer look at the design. The corners are now curved even more compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It almost reminds me of the look of the Galaxy S21 Ultra from a few years back. But instead of a curved screen, we of course have a flat display. It's definitely going to feel even more comfortable to hold in hand. Other than the corner curves, it does preserve the same kind of look that Samsung has been building for the last 2 years. Now with a change in the camera bump design, which has definitely taken inspiration from the camera bump of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I gotta say, I do like this look, but personally, I might prefer the camera island-less look of the S25 Ultra a bit more, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now, apart from a different look, there is one important reason why Samsung introduced this camera island. In case you don't know, S26 Ultra is going to be a record-breaking, thinnest Ultra phone Samsung has ever made. Despite having the same 5000 mAh battery and the S Pen on the inside, it has somehow gone thinner at a rumored 7.9mm thickness, which is definitely noticeably thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, because of the thinness, it was wise for Samsung to add the camera islands around these camera sensors because we have seen they can protrude quite a bit. So hopefully this is gonna even things out. Now, the device is said to be even lighter than before. It is expected to drop a few grams, going below 210 gram level, which is again insane. All these small changes are gonna add up and it's gonna make the S26 Ultra feel absolutely amazing in hand. They even changed the S Pen design a little bit. They added a bit of a curve, all because they can make the phone thin and light. Now on the front, we have the punch hole in the middle, so there's not gonna be a under display camera once again for another generation. With that being said, the display on the S26 Ultra is absolutely going to be one of a kind. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is finally bringing the M14 OLED display with COE display tech, which in simple words means that the display is going to be brighter, thinner, and way more power efficient. Not just that, it's going to have an even better anti-reflective coating along with a new AI privacy feature, which can reportedly make the display dark to the people who look at it from the sides. If Samsung can pull this technology off, it's going to look absolutely amazing on the S26 Ultra. Now, speaking of the cameras, in case you don't know, these are the improvements we're looking forward to compared to last year's Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're technically getting 3 new camera upgrades. If you look at the aperture, this is going to be the best Samsung camera setup we have seen when it comes to the low light performance. We are pretty much getting upgrades to 3 sensors apart from the ultra wide angle lens, which is said to be the same. Having a larger aperture will unlock better low light performance along with better natural bokeh. And let's not forget, Samsung is fully focused on dethroning Apple when it comes to video performance, for the first time going all out when it comes to that vlogging angle thanks to Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which now has APV codec support, meaning you can shoot raw videos similar to Apple ProRes with super high quality and detail retained. If Samsung can pull this off and somehow also bring some AI magic to their cameras, especially for the video performance, it's gonna be a one epic video upgrade. Hopefully all of this will offer a meaningful upgrade, especially in the video department when it comes to the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera performance. S26 Ultra will exclusively utilize Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, but guess what? Exynos 2600 is finally making a comeback. Again, I'm not gonna give this more of a hope, but it is said to be about 12% better in terms of performance compared to previous generation, along with 25% better in power efficiency. And it's also built on a 2nm process node, making it the first smartphone chip to use the 2nm process. It is said to power the Galaxy S26 Pro in some markets apart from China, US, and South Korea. Again, we don't know the specific details at the moment, but what we can expect right now is that Exynos 2600 is making a comeback with the Galaxy S26 series. So there we go, our best closest look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design almost 3 months before the official announcement, which is likely going to happen in January of 2026. 2026? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.